At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with EECU, Fresno State, and Chevron. Thank you for watching positive stories about education.
Fires and drought conditions are taking a toll on our national parks, but Valley students are being taught how to help restore them.
In tonight's Education Matters, Juanita Stevenson reports on how a volunteer organization is growing the next generation of conservationists and teaching them science at the same time.
The meadows inside Yosemite National Park are a relaxing sea of beauty and home to hundreds of plants and animal species.
Meadows are incredibly important habitat of the entire Sierra Nevada landmass. Meadows make up only 2%, but they support 75% of the wildlife.
400 additional acres of critical wetlands were recently donated to Yosemite, but the meadow, surrounded by burned out trees, is in need of restoration. Nature Corp, a volunteer conservation organization, aided by a group of students from Coalinga High School, are working to help restore Ackerson Meadow.
In order to restore the meadow, the Park Service needs to have 700 pounds of seed to get it propagated so they can replant native flora into the area.
And that is the job of these students. They go from plant to plant, gathering seeds.
Little seedies everywhere.
Well, we have to choose the right ones. There's some that look similar, so it's important to choose the ones that are ready to be picked.
They learn about the natural habitat, what grows here, and why it's important.
We were told that there's a bird, there's a breed of bird that is only found in this specific area, and that with this seed that we're doing, it actually will help that bird thrive.
The restoration project includes filling in a large erosion gully that is draining wetlands in the meadow. Plants from these seeds will cover that area.
Once this is all back to how they want it to be, I can come back and visit and just think to myself wow, I helped do this, and I helped turn something into this beautiful, just beautiful wilderness.
This is not only an opportunity for these students to be out in nature, it is a hands-on science project supported by Chevron. The energy company has partnered with Nature Corp for over 25 years.
I think that one of Nature Corp's role is to take the baton of conservation and plant it into the hands of the future generation. And the grants from Chevron help us to firmly implant the baton in their hands. And we're excited to see what they'll do to help preserve the parks in the future.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.